ban Kren phareng daka basuk bat ki parolok jngphi but bat persang yakine ki step part 13. Hi Mila, how are you? Hi Mila, film kumno. I'm fine Lina, what about you? Ngabiang Lina, pipat kumno. I'm also fine and happy. Ngabiang ngaru bat ngakumen. Why are you happy? Palay pikumen. I'm happy because my exams are over. That's why I'm so happy. Ngakumen namar ngalakot examen nakataka daw ngakumen ba? Oh yes. Where are you planning to go during this winter holidays? Oh hot. Siya ipimod ilit hakane kashutit lang. I'm going to Kolkata for 3 weeks with my family. Will you join us? Nalit sa Kolkata kung balay tayo ba't kibahaying pinwan lang ba't ni? I would like to go there but I have to ask permission from my parents. Nasunod nalit siya tatang ba nga hapan siyang bitchwa na imay pa. Okay, I'll come to your house this evening and request your parents to permit you for this visit. To ngan si jngphi si bit janmit bat ngan karpat may pa jngphi bakin siya epi na kabentagan ni kajinglet jngkay. Oh, that's good. Thank you. I'll wait for you. Oh, katakabiyang kublay ngan sa epi. Okay, see you this evening. To sa kindu si bit janmit. Okay, bye. Thank you for your help. To bye. Kublay kajing yarap jngphi.